from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is Ariel Wilson. I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. These are my friends Cooper and Leo. You've seen Cooper in the movie Benji. I've always loved working with animals, and my first opportunity came with a company that trains animals for movies and television. After that, I attended America's Teaching Zoo, where I learned even more about the value of training and working with animals. And now, being a trainer at the show, I get to share my passion with all of you. I am lucky to work with a great team of animal trainers and staff here at the show who truly care for, love, and respect all of our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers, Ms. Ariel Wilson.
Ollie is a Mandate conure and he's been trained to fly from one person to another. To demonstrate that, I need help from an adult volunteer. Someone in the middle section that's not afraid of a bird. Leave here in the center with a white tank top on. Stay where you are. Take out a dollar bill. Now the reason why I've asked for more dollar bills is because Ollie doesn't know her. He might feel uncomfortable flying to somebody that he doesn't know. As seen in Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. Here at the show, we use a dollar. Great, stand up for me. Fold the dollar in half. In half one more time. Place it between two fingers. Arms straight out to your side. Very good. Perpendicular to you. Straight out to the side. Yeah, fold your arm a little bit higher. Don't move. Ollie should see that and know exactly where you need to do a flyby. We're supposed to land for some photos. I'm going to have you come out to the center here. Make you really obvious. Alright, no distractions right there in the center. Perfect. Pause for some good. Work out nicely. Enjoy the show. Everybody over here with a $20 bill. I'm teasing. Go back out. We're going to get it back to you. Same arm. Palm up. Stay still. Always going to return that right back where he found it. Nice. Good. Go to the bottom. Step up. The left foot. You are all finished. Check it out. That's a stagehand. Not only do we get to work with cute little birds like Ollie, sometimes we challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's film Lady Hawk, Matthew Broderick catches a hawk with precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. If you'll turn your attention towards the top of our arena, one of our trainers is going to be flying down a star you might recognize from 310 to Yuma. Just please remain seated. And when the trainer's ready, she's going to send down Arrow. Flying by Arrow! Very impressive. Wait, how many get? Come on over here. We have a volunteer. Ma'am, you want to take out that dollar and we'll send you Arrow? No. Good choice. Thank you, Jessica and Arrow. I'd like to take this moment and introduce another feathered friend at Universal, Sweet Pea.
See, they are so good and birds, they listen. They are good birds. They listen to the auntie. He's fast.
Wow, nice moves. Now we have something even better. With the use of a giant fan, this green screen, and a little bit of movie magic, we can transport our animals anywhere we want. Step one, we need an animal. Welcome out our stunt bird, Shredder, a green-winged macaw. Shredder's trainer is going to place him into a strong current of wind so that we can film him in flight. Nicely done. Step two, we'll add in that movie magic. Now that is some fantastic flying. Great job. One of the most common questions we're asked here at the show is how
how your animals land a role in a movie or a television series. It starts with some basic training, and to demonstrate that, welcome out my boy from Benji, Cooper! Hi, Yoda! Now, in addition to knowing some basic behaviors, our dogs also have to be able to work alongside their co-stars. So I need a volunteer who's not afraid of a dog that wants to help me out here on stage. Rain down to the choices! Okay, let's try right here on the end in the yellow shirt. You want to help me out? Oh, you brought your own fan club. Come on up here. Hi there, right here next to me. What's your name?
Ruby.
Ruby? Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Ruby?
Bakersfield.
Bakersfield, well, welcome to Hollywood. Okay, Ruby, you're going to be our actress. I'm going to have you sit down right here in the chair, and we're going to let you say hi to Cooper. Get in there, Cooper Doop, nice and close. Do you want to give him some pets? Very nice. Cooper likes to kiss his actresses. Do you mind if he gives you a kiss? Okay. Give her a nice big kiss. Big kiss. Focus, big kiss. Get in there. That's a good get in there. Give her a kiss. Cooper. Okay, let's try this again. Cooper, your co-star would like to have a kiss. Okay, do you remember how to give kisses? Let's practice. Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you! You do remember! Now, can you give your co-star a kiss, please? There. Oh, kiss. Don't rub on her. Give her a kiss. Big kiss. Get in there close. Yeah! Very good. Okay, Ruby, you can relax. Cooper's going to do all the work here. We're going to be demonstrating one of our more advanced techniques. It's called the work away. I'm going to use this training tool called a mark to tell Cooper where I'd like him to be in our scene. Are you done drying off? Hello. Now the first step, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Very good. Sit. As I'm going to take one of his favorite treats, stay. I'm going to place it in front of Ruby. That way Cooper knows where to focus his attention. And I'm going to be behind him, and I'm just going to use my voice. Very good. Which is why we call this the Ruby. The treats are for the dog.